Hey everyone, we're Lance Fans of Gaming. We are doing part 7 for June 2024 STL. Looking at D&D, Warhammer, and figures. 3D prints for your needs. The links for all of these that we're looking at be down below. Please support the channel by subscribing, sharing, check out our Patreon Discord. And let's get down to it. So we have Dragon Collector. These are also figures for it. I don't think they have nothing. I think they have something for June, but I don't know what it is. I think they're working on the Crime Syndicate. So it's like the alternate version of the DC ones, like the evil version of them. Skylar 3D Studios. Uh, Nothing came about for that. Gone, gone. I have to look through every single one of these and start deleting all of them, the ones that just left. Wada Studio. These are figures as well for June. We got, looks to be some type of a maiden. For it, the sadness of a geisha. If you're interested in that. Gone. And the cult of pickles. Okay. You have any other STL files, Patreon you want me to look at? Please leave it down below. They haven't been doing anything since 2021. So, more gory studio. Looks like Old World, in my opinion. For it, do we see a steam engine? Looks like a ship. Got fighter, beastmen, priest, and stuff. I just probably want that for my Old World proxy. The rest I could find better. 3D printed tabletop. I don't think he had done anything for since 2022. I don't think he still makes YouTube. Steffiel sculpts. We get Malana. One of the movies or the actor. I don't know who the actor is. Milana. Okay, so we got Milana for June. If you do want this, you can go get it. Will Sultan, Zandora. So we got, let's see here, dungeon vibes. Looks like we got gnomes. Lots of gnomes. So we're getting gnomes. Looks like it for this month. So if you want to get some gnomes, you know where to go and look for it. One gold piece. This is like you pay one gold, you pay like $1, you get everything from backlogged for it. But I don't say anything for sleepy time, so I'm taking a break for that month. Hey, Carlton figures. We got a bonus one of the saw. The girl from the saw. If it pops, if it loads, if it loads. This should load. I just got a new mesh kit too for the whole thing. I just want the photo. So yeah, we got the Saw character puppet, and I don't know who the hell this is supposed to be. So yeah, and you got the Sinister Sister Showcase 3 printable. You also get a Pip-Boy too. 3D print yourself a Pip-Boy. I'd rather just buy the actual kit. I actually have one for my Fallout 4. So your June picks. Alexei Konovi, I do not know what they have, but I think it is Warhammer proxy. You may have to from 2020. Buy not anymore. Tiger Skull RPG. Wow. A lot of Patreon people just left. Star Wars, June 2024 release. We have some Stormtroopers. Looks like from the Clone War. If you're interested on that, I think there's still the Star Wars miniature that Warhammer or whoever made it. Highlander figure. I don't know which Highlander movie this was from. I don't know if they ever remade Highlander. That's a very old show, movie and a show. SW3D. These are like from Wicked and Berserk. There's a Star Wars version of it. So we have the Tuscans figure you can get. I think you get Leia and Luke portrait and diorama and stuff as well for this month. Prey collection. I think it's the same one, isn't it? And you get the, pinhead, female pinhead, and the nun, making it very lewd-like. Alvin Rage Studio. This is another Star Wars one. And then we got a lot more stormtroopers and droids. So yeah, we got some droids and some stormtroopers. If you're interested, we got a Twi'lek one too, and a Jedi. Looks like, or a Sith. I don't know. Not very versed in Star Wars anymore for a long time. This is another like a war tabletop version, but this is like what you call it. Use as a proxy for your thing, but you just gotta be careful which one you can get. So we got some World War II style. We got heavily armored samurai as well, and some musket. These are Chinese NRA army. So you want some Chinese NRA army in your freaking thing? Go for it. Monsters Encounters. This is an update. It's good for D&D. We got some ghouls, zombies. That's actually pretty cool. That's why I like look like kind of like old school version of it, in my opinion. Got some Goatman commands. This is some Beastmen for your your old world, stuff like that. And the Scarab King. I might get this. I want the Scarab King for my Tomb Kings. The Wraith Queen. I still don't know a lot of what's happening with the old world. I built a lot of them. I gotta build the orcs and goblin, but Void Realm minis. Let's see here. I think these are weird looking. Oh yeah, they're doing a Teletubby ones. So yeah, they're making the horror version of your favorite childhood, the Teletubbies. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, Achan. They still haven't released their June out yet, but this is the Warhammer figure, the Dark Eldars and the Space Marine getting slit, and we got the female Predator as well. They haven't fully released their files yet, but that's what's happening. Fionn, I think Fionn hasn't done anything. They've been gone for a while, so. MZ4250. If you want free figures for D&D, this is what you want. He does free figures. So if you have you need a lot of stuff that you need for your game, he has pretty much everything. He did a lot of the monster manuals and everything for it. Go check him out. I'll put the link down for you guys below. You pretty much will have all the miniatures that you really need. The Dork Factory. Now he has nothing for June 11th. Oh, we got the Cultist for it. That's actually pretty cool. I already got the Kickstarter for this as well. One day I'll print it for it, but I'll take a look on what I want. I got a lot of stuff to paint first. STL Para Impression has done anything from January. I think I already looked at this Kaiju one from last video. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.